your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Welcome to Tiger Technology. Upgrades to Windows 10 are safe to install. But security holes or malware attacks can occur anytime if you don't take precautions like updating your operating system, installing antivirus software, and avoiding downloading unfamiliar files. But Windows 10 security can be breached due to user actions. Software installations and security settings that are turned on or off. Your device's privacy settings and the information you voluntarily disclose online provide an extra layer of security. By adjusting your privacy settings, you can help protect your personal information and limit the amount of data collected and shared about you. It's essential to review and update your privacy settings regularly, as new apps and services may require different settings or may update their privacy policies over time. Thanks for watching.